Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Unboxing Go Bangladesh. Here I am your friend and host Mr. Mohammad Mahidul Islam. Welcome to you in another new video. Today's topic you see, I'm gonna unbox and review handheld electric body massager. Actually, I tried to upload very interesting things so that you get proper review and unboxing and the truth behind the product. So I'm gonna unbox this device for you all, which is really good for your health and to vibrate your body and feel better when you are tired. So without wasting many time, let's jump on the main topic. So guys, you can see the box. Firstly, I will unbox it. To do this, I'm using this pen for the unboxing process. First, I will unpackage the box. You can see here pink colored Apple logo, a body massager, you can see. Let's open it. So firstly I'm opening the body massager, and also in the box you can see the USB cable. So I'm keeping the box inside. So this is the electric body massager made by China, which can help you massaging your body and vibrating your body. So let's check this and review. Its price almost 190 to 250 in the market. After bargaining it, you can get more price if you like good and if you are a good buyer. So without talking too much, oh sorry, I'm really sorry, I have forgotten one thing. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get a lot more video when I upload. So let's come to the main point now. You can see there is a cable. I will show you that how it works. You can run it by using cable, using the power bank, and also your CPU or any other device that suits that USB cable. You can also use it by your mobile. If your mobile is USB, actually OTG is supported. So guys, I will run it lively. You can see I'm using that for this part. I am looking to the CPU. Let's see how it works. You can see it's vibrating, and I'm feeling some better in my hand also. So this is the way you can do the process, and also you can use battery inside it. You can see 3 battery you can use. If you use the battery, it will be better for you. So that's it. That was my review part and unboxing. It's good. Its quality is good, but so far I have used it and the result is good for it feels it helped me to minimize some pain when I come to my room. I try to use it. So for the poor people, or some who have no budget, can buy this from market. You can get it from garage also by paying 190 taka. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Hope that you will try to watch my video and try to subscribe my channel, and also share, like, share, comment. I'm your new YouTuber, so mistake is common. I might mistake my English and my the way of talking, and the process I discuss. I'll try to develop next. So thank you so much. Today I'm aiming 10,000 likes for this and a lot more subscribers. So thank you, tata, bye bye. Saying goodbye to you all. Have a nice day, and please stay home, stay safe, use hand sanitizer, and save others. This is the corona time, so you must be aware of the things that is going to happen. Thank you very much.